Lol, forgot to put you to sleep. Wait.
This is the intro to Pim's Daily Vlogs. Pim's Daily Leaps. Enjoy.
See, these geese got the right idea. Hang out in the shade. Take a nap. I just like this wall that we have. Granted, you can see through it, but nah, don't like this wall. Oh God. So many people! Wait, no, don't run away, it's okay. Why do you have them? Ah.
Hold on.
I don't even know how to describe this.
You angry?
Hold on. If you haven't taken it yet, I'm going in.
Okay.
I don't know if you're taking a picture. What are you doing? Is this a video?
Yeah.
I hate you.
Epic nothing succeed!
Yeah, it's fine.
It's yours?
What's up? You have a balloon.
No, I don't.
Why do you have two balloons?
He's purple.
Why do you have two balloons?
It's just a thing.
No, you're gonna pop
You
it.
got your camera back.
Yeah.
You're gonna see some crazy shit go down today. I hope you're ready.
Yeah, baby. I like it like that.
I said she's definitely on poker.
Aww.
Okay, take your seat.
That is the most disturbing looking penis I've ever seen. I don't even know what that is.
I don't. What? What is it? I don't even know what it is.
No, it's the internal organ. It looks horribly deformed. No, it's the
Oh, you got a flower. That's crazy. Yeah.
This
It's
and this.
off the anatomy, like cross section.
Yeah.
It's off the anatomy cross section.
Yeah. This stuff, this is the prostate. Internal.
Oh man, that's yeah.
Little tiny balls.
Oh.
Yeah. And then this is like the prostate, I guess. Yeah, and here. That's the prostate. Yeah.
Teaching kids about colon cancer, one balloon at a time. Soon. The sun in the trees, it's so pretty. There is a floating leaf. And a floating spider! Now we learn the age-old craft of bartending. Oh, it's a bunny. And this is the end.